Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change and manage your payment methods on the SHEIN app. If you haven't added any credit or debit card on the app yet, then first you need to add it through the checkout. So if you finally decide what you want to buy, you can go to the card and then go to the checkout. And then if you scroll down, you will find the payment method. Here you can, for instance, add a new card by pressing this button over here, add a new card, and here you can fill in your card information. If you already added a credit card and you are in the payment methods, you can still click on this arrow over here on the right side, and here you can either delete the existing credit card or you can add a new one by using the add a new card button. You can also go to me in the bottom right corner, go to the settings over here, and there you will find my payment options. If you tap it, then you will find your all credit cards, which can be removed by pressing this icon over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.